Have you ever looked in the mirror and noticed your hairline creeping back, just a little more than it used to? Maybe it started with a few strands in the shower. Or maybe your pillow has become a quiet witness to the hair you're leaving behind each night. Hair loss doesn't always shout. Sometimes it whispers. The truth is, the average adult loses about 100 strands a day, and that's completely normal. But what if it's more? What if there's something deeper going on? Stress hormones, the wrong hair products, or silent inflammation under your scalp? Hair loss can hurt, not just your appearance, but your confidence, your identity, and your sense of control. But what if there were natural, science-backed ways to regrow your hair? What if nature, tradition, and modern research could work together to bring life back to your roots? In today's video, we'll explore 10 proven natural remedies that can help you fight hair loss and encourage new growth safely and effectively. Let's get started. 1. Onion juice, the sulfur secret. It might not sound glamorous, but onions are one of the most powerful natural treatments for hair regrowth. They're rich in sulfur, a mineral that feeds hair follicles and helps them regenerate. Sulfur boosts collagen production, which promotes healthy skin cells and strong hair growth. It also has antibacterial and antifungal properties that keep your scalp clean and balanced. In a 2002 study, participants who applied onion juice twice a week saw significant hair regrowth in just 6 weeks. How to use it? Blend 2 onions, strain the juice, and massage it into your scalp. Leave it for 1 hour, then wash with a mild shampoo. Yes, the smell is strong, but the results are stronger. Use once a week for visible regrowth and thicker strands. 2. Stress reduction, because peace grows hair. Let's be honest, stress is one of the sneakiest and most damaging causes of hair loss. When you're under emotional or physical stress, your body pushes follicles into a resting phase, leading to sudden shedding, a condition called telogen effluvium. Even worse, chronic stress can trigger your immune system to attack your own hair follicles. The solution? Dedicate just 15 to 20 minutes daily to stress relief. Meditation, deep breathing, journaling, or simply a quiet walk in nature. Your nervous system relaxes, your hair follicles recover. Remember, peaceful minds grow beautiful hair. Coconut milk, nature's conditioner. Coconut milk is an often overlooked gem for hair care. It's loaded with niacin, folate, healthy fats, and vitamin E, of which nourish the scalp and stimulate new growth. It also reduces breakage, hydrates dry strands, and restores shine. How to use it? Warm the milk slightly and massage it into your scalp for 10 to 15 minutes. Leave it for 45 minutes before rinsing. Repeat once a week for deeply conditioned, fuller hair. It's nature's conditioner, softening and strengthening every strand. 4. Eggs, the protein powerhouse. Eggs are a complete protein source, rich in biotin, B12, and minerals that rebuild weak strands and reduce breakage. DIY hair mask, 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon olive oil. Whisk until smooth and apply from roots to ends. Leave for 20 minutes. Rinse with cold water, never hot or it'll cook. Do this weekly for strong, glossy, voluminous hair. 5. Aloe Vera, the scalp healer. Aloe vera contains proteolytic enzymes that repair dead skin cells and awaken dormant follicles. Its anti-inflammatory and antifungal properties combat dandruff, itching, and excess oil. To use, scoop fresh aloe gel and massage it into your scalp. Leave it for 1 hour, then rinse. Repeat 2 to 3 times weekly. Aloe doesn't just soothe your scalp, it creates the perfect environment for new growth. 6. Amla, Indian gooseberry, the Ayurvedic miracle. Used for centuries in Ayurveda, amla is loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants that boost circulation and strengthen roots. It also darkens premature grays and adds shine. Warm amla oil slightly and massage into your scalp. Leave for an hour or overnight. Use twice a week for best results. It's more than a treatment, a ritual of rejuvenation. 7. Scalp massage, the forgotten therapy. Sometimes the simplest remedies are the most powerful. A daily 5-minute scalp massage increases blood circulation, sending oxygen and nutrients to your follicles. This simple habit promotes thicker, stronger hair growth over time. Use your fingertips, not nails, in gentle circular motions. You can add oils like coconut, almond, or rosemary for an extra boost. Science backs it up. Regular scalp massage improves hair thickness and overall scalp health. 8. Lemon juice, the natural detox. Lemon juice is full of vitamin C and folic acid, essential for follicle nourishment. It gently exfoliates your scalp, removing buildup and balancing oil production. Mix 1 tablespoon of lemon juice with 2 teaspoons of coconut or olive oil. Massage, leave for 1 hour and rinse. Do this weekly for a refreshed scalp and radiant shine. It's nature's way of detoxing your roots. 9. Apple cider vinegar, the natural cleanser. Apple cider vinegar, or ACV, is one of the best natural scalp cleansers. It removes buildup, restores your scalp's pH balance, and smooths the hair cuticle. After shampooing, mix 2 tablespoons of ACV with 1 cup of water and pour it through your hair. Leave for 2 minutes, then rinse with cool water. Scalp feels refreshed, your roots stimulated, and your hair shinier than ever. 10. Garlic, the growth booster. Garlic is rich in sulfur, selenium, and vitamins B6 and C, nutrients that stimulate follicles and fight scalp infections. Crush a few cloves and mix with warm coconut or olive oil. Apply to the scalp, leave for 30 to 45 minutes, and wash. Yes, it's pungent, but garlic's antimicrobial power helps regrow even stubborn bald spots. Sometimes the strongest remedies come in the most unexpected forms. So where should you begin? Start small. Choose one remedy that fits your lifestyle and stay consistent. Hair loss doesn't happen overnight, and neither does healing. But each natural step brings you closer to stronger, thicker, more vibrant hair. Because this isn't just about growing hair, and it's about regaining confidence. Aerator, uplifting tone. Before we wrap up, here are a few extra habits that can quietly transform your hair health from the inside out, no fancy products required. Number 1. Hydrate like it matters. Your hair is nearly 25% water, so dehydration means dull, brittle strands. Drink at least 8 glasses a day to keep your follicles hydrated and active. Tip number 2, eat for your hair. Protein, iron, zinc, and omega-3s are your hair's best friends. Add foods like eggs, spinach, salmon, lentils, and walnuts to your daily meals. Think of every bite as nourishment for your roots. Tip number 3, be gentle. Avoid tight hairstyles, harsh brushing, and excessive heat. Your scalp is living tissue. Treat it with the same care you'd give your skin. Tip number 4, sleep on silk. Switching to a silk or satin pillowcase reduces friction and breakage overnight, a tiny change with big results over time. Remember, great hair isn't built in a day, but with the right care, it is built daily. You're not just treating your scalp, but you're reclaiming your sense of self. Every step toward better hair is a step toward inner confidence and renewal. Today, you learned 10 powerful natural ways to regrow your hair. But did you know your pantry also holds foods that help fight weight gain and boost hair health from within? Watch next. 16 healthy foods that help you lose weight naturally. 13 simple tips to flatten belly fat fast. Go ahead, click one, or better yet, watch both and take another step toward a healthier, more confident you. And tell us below, which remedy will you try first?